Hi everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I made this brown chocolate lip gloss. It's chocolate chip scented. It's also pigmented and glossy, as you can see. I love this color so much, and it goes with Christmas. So first I weighed out my Versagel. That's 5.5 ounce of Versagel. It has no oil, just pure Versagel from Take Beach. Then I went in with my dark brown oxide pigment from Take Beach Trading as well. I only added about, let's just say 1 tablespoon, because as you can see, it wasn't full. The first spoon wasn't full. So, and then you want to add half a cup of your desired oil. I use coconut, grapeseed. You can also add a bit of vitamin E, that's optional. Then I added my chocolate chip flavoring oil from Get Suckered. Make sure you use spotbeautyy for 10% off. The flavoring oils are so good. And then you want to go ahead and mix. Look at that delicious lip gloss. This lip gloss smells amazing, and it's going to leave your lips feeling great and smooth. As you can see, the mixture is so smooth. So to put the lip gloss in your tubes, you're going to need a 60 ml syringe and a 30 ml, I believe, pipette. And you're going to attach that pipette to your syringe, and then you're going to fill the syringe with your gloss like I'm doing here. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned a thing or two. Make sure you follow me. Everything I used in this video will be linked below. If you want to get this lip gloss, it's also going to be on my website by the time this video gets out. Like, subscribe, tell me what you think about the video. If you have any suggestions, let me know in the comments, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.